Hey guys, so guess what? Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 4, which covers the skate park basics, is available now on iTunes for the first time ever.
No way.
Way.
Sweet.
And that's why we're going to teach Lance how to drop in.
Heck yeah.
And then we're going to have him drop in on the big bowl right there, which is only about 300 feet of vert, and he may never make it again. So this may be the last Lance live skate support. So I'm going to start you out just on the flat and give you the ideas of how this works. Actually, not the ideas, but more the practice of how it works. So stand with your back foot on the board like that. And this is very important. This part right here may seem kind of stupid, but it's not. It's super important. So you're going to put your front foot on, and you're going to put all your weight onto your front foot like that. Good. And you have to have all your weight going forward.
All your weight.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you're like this, then you're going to die. That's what a lot of people do, because they get scared and then they kind of go like that and then they die.
Okay.
So maybe you shouldn't die.
I think that's a good idea.
Yeah. So put it like that and then all your weight forward. Good. So as your first step, we're not going to drop in on a quarter pipe, but we'll just drop in on this bank ramp. So that was a good idea to start out here. So you're going to do that exact same thing. You're going to put your front foot on. You can stand there for a second if you want. But again, you're transferring all your weight from your back foot to your front foot. Yeah, it's nice and easy. Just remember, as long as you keep your weight forward and just don't like hesitate. That's the most important thing with this. Don't hesitate. You have to just go for it. Full commitment. Whoa, see, I almost died. Hesitated.
This is a lot steeper.
Is it a lot steeper?
Yeah.
Okay, but at least it's not like this.
No, that's true.
So same thing, don't hesitate. Put all your weight forward. One thing that people will do sometimes to aid themselves with putting all their weight forward is you can kind of pretend like you're grabbing your nose. And you can see the motion that makes me do. Oh, just about killed this kid. You hesitated. This might even be a little harder than the full quarter pipe. Maybe you should just roll in like this at first. Now put your tail on there. Go like really far towards the edge so your back wheels don't get stuck. And then just...
All right, well, I hesitated again on that.
Yeah, I noticed.
It's closer.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so now we're on the mini ramp. This is a mini ramp, it's mini.
It actually looks a little bit easier than the last one because it was so much taller.
Okay, cool. So put your tail in there like this. Don't let it fool you. It's probably not easier than the last one because it's gonna go down like that. You're gonna have to fully commit with your front foot.
So what happens if I don't commit?
You're gonna fall.
Which way?
You're like, this is one of those things where if you don't commit, you're guaranteed to fall.
Where do I fall? Which direction?
Don't fall. Don't ask me which direction. Just commit. Because if you don't commit and you're too far back, you're gonna fly back. You have to have your weight go to your front foot. Really fast too, like. That's what we're practicing with that first step is you're like slamming your front wheels down.
Okay, so you're slamming your front wheels down and you're keeping your weight forward?
Yeah. Keep your weight forward, put your front wheels down. Next time you gotta wait till I get out of there. Okay, you definitely didn't try. Were you scared?
Yeah, well, you know, I was like, I got this, and then at the last minute, I was like, oh God.
Yeah, that's what happens. No, oh God. You just have to boom.
Just right at the end, I backed out.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I noticed. Maybe it was the part where your board almost hit Gabe in the face. Maybe Gabe should stand back a little bit, just in case, you know? Just keep it safe. Okay, you ready? Just fully commit. Don't back out, that's the problem. I'm telling you, it's deadly to try and like step off. That's just death waiting to happen.
That was closer.
That was closer, but you need to just stand on it. Like you roll in and then you try and step off. Just don't step off.
Just keep going straight?
Yeah.
This is proving to be harder than I initially expected.
You're doing the exact thing I told you not to do.
Okay.
It's what everybody does, it's fine. But you have to keep in mind, you have to like pretend like you're gonna grab your nose and put your front foot down on the ground. So you're doing a manual into it.
Right.
And that cannot be more deadly. That is like, whoa, that is backflip status. So your front wheels, here, stand right here and practice this.
I don't want to roll into the pipe.
Just go into the pipe like in Mario Brothers. Pew, pew, pew. Good, so you feel your front wheels hit the ground. Cool. Now it's the exact same thing here, only your board's gonna go a lot further because the ground doesn't end right here, it's down. But you have to go that far. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You're like manualing down and your weight is back, and that's deadly. So all the way down. The hardest thing about dropping in is a mental fear, and that's what you have to get over.
Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah, so you much rather fall forward than back. Okay. And you're like, oh, let me stay safe up here. It's not safe up here, it's safe down. You gotta put your front foot down. Lance, there's a very important lesson to be learned here. Do not step off, no matter what.
Did I step off?
Yes.
Obviously.
Yeah. Just like you're putting your feet down, you're not committing. You're like trying to like test the waters. It's not the kind of thing where you can test the waters. You can't really like, no. Trust me, if you will actually get seriously injured. This is the first live SKATE support where you're at risk of going to the hospital.
Oh my God.
I'm serious. You have to commit. You have to actually fully commit and drop your wheels into the ramp. Don't second guess yourself. You just decide you're going to do it and do it. So just decide and then go. This is what you did. Which is fine, I understand. Yeah, you fully like stepped into the ramp. And I'm telling you, like, if you're scared, that's the thing not to do.
Yeah?
Yeah. Like, no.
The thing to do is
just go.
Just
like, go is 100% safe. Second guess yourself is 100% deadly.
That's weird. It does not feel like that.
It is.
It feels like
no, I'm terrified to watch you go like this. That's scary. But this, all you do is step in with your front foot.
I just gotta get used to that.
Yeah, That's all it is. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Two to make it true.
It was all about that commitment.
I know. Good, you got it. You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's easy, right?
Yeah.
Once you do that first
Once
one,
you do that first one, then you're like, okay, it's not so bad.
it's not bad at all. It's like being scared of a shadow that's not there. It's just, there's nothing there to be scared of. It's not even difficult, you just have to commit.
Yeah, that's right.
Cool, so good job, you got it.
Thank you. That was fun.
That was
scary,
fun.
But it was fun.
It's good to watch you go through a little, like, Lance was actually like scared of that one. That was good. It's finally to see Lance go through some stress. Other than the kickflip, that was stress as well.
That was stress, but it wasn't scary.
Okay, that's
It
good.
wasn't scary, so this is a new level of skating.
Yeah, that's right. Cool, so again, Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 4 covers the basics of skateboarding in a skate park, and it has various different skate park tricks, and it's just super detailed. It'll take you through all the steps, and it'll help you learn how to drop in, rock to fakie, rock and roll. I think I said 2 of those twice. But anyways, yeah, check out the video. It's really incredible, available for the first time as an iBook on iTunes. So you can get it on your iPhone, iPod, iMac, everything.
Get it.
Good job, Lance.
Thanks.
Oh, can I use that?
Subscribe, like, leave a comment for Lance.